Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can organize your Google Drive with folders and labels. So organizing your Google Drive using folders and also labels when using Google Workspace apps like Google Docs, Sheets, or Gmail, it will greatly improve your ability to find and manage your files. So through this video, I'm going to show you a step-by-step guide on how you can organize your Google Drive efficiently. So first, if you want to create folders in Google Drive, you can just open the Google Drive first and tap on the New button on the left sidebar and select the New Folder option. And in here, you can just enter a name for your folder and click on Create, like this. And the folder will be created automatically. And you can also organize your files by dragging and dropping them into the appropriate folders or by using the move options. For example, I'm going to move this files right here into the folder that I created before. You can just drag it like this and it will automatically move into the folder. You can also create subfolders for deeper organization. You can create subfolders within folders to make your organization even more granular. So open the folder and in here inside the folder you can tap on the new again and tap on new folder. And you can also use color coding for folders. Color coding folders can help visually differentiate between them and making it easier to identify the one that you need. So you can just select on one of the folder, this one for example, and then go to organize. And in here you can see there will be this option folder color. You can change the color to how you like it. I'm going to go with yellow for example, and it will be changed accordingly. So that's how you can use labels and also folders in Google Drive. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and also click on the thanks. Bye.